Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to add subtitles to a video or movie using VLC Media Player. I've uploaded one of my videos here. To add subtitles, click on View, then select Subtitles and find the ones you need. The subtitles we need. Here you can choose the language of the subtitles you want. Let's say I want The Walking Dead. Yes. Season 1 or Season 11. Or no specific season. Alright, let's go with Season 1. Here you can find, select, and download the subtitles. Now we have them. You need to download subtitles for the specific film, right? Or if you have your own subtitles for your film, that works too. For videos, click on Media, then Stream. Choose your video. Select the subtitle file, add it, and click Stream. There, that's all there is to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.